What's up, guys? 67H Farmer here. I figured I'd give you guys an update on what is going on. So it's been a while since I've done any work to this, and as you can tell, it is missing some crucial piece of equipment. We pulled the engine out about 3 days ago, and boy was that a feat in that tight little space we got to work with. But just look how much oil it's been leaking. Get all that cleaned up, get some new tires on this. I got new thrust bearings to go on the bottom of the spindles. I'm gonna put them right on the bottom of the kingpins, so that'll help with the steering. That, I'm gonna get wider tires. We'll see if those help with the steering as well, being this is a manual steering, no power steering. And I gotta look into getting some new rear tires. Turf tires on a tractor like this don't make any sense. What are you doing, buddy? That would be my 4-month-old German Shepherd. But let's go take a look at that engine I got real quick. Pardon the mess. We're in the middle of insulating the shed. I got some insulation stuck up on the ceiling. And what I'm doing is putting spray foam along it. But this is the engine. I decided to pull the engine upon seeing excessive amounts of oil just sitting inside the cylinder. That's not focusing. The screen's all wet. It's raining outside. So we pulled the engine out. I was just going to do a valve job on it, but I come to find out the rings are leaking a lot of oil, just sitting, not even running. So I'll just tear this apart, put new rings on it, and go from there. So far we got, I think, 3 layers of insulation, 3/8 of an inch thick, about 1.5 inches worth of insulation, and it's an R value of 4 or 5 per inch. I get all this insulation for free from work. And then up there, right where the window is, you kind of see some light coming through. That is 4 layers thick. That's about 2 inches. 1.75 inches to 2 inches. Of just this little bit of insulation alone, and then just this one section, I haven't really even moved any of the equipment around. Made the building go from 42 with this little heater to 52. So it went up 10 degrees, just this insulation I put up. I started to put some insulation on the other side of the wall as well. I get the stuff for free from work, from packaging. And that was at 25, 30 degrees outside. So, and that's just that little heater. But what we're getting right here is I'm going to put in a little wood stove. I got another sheet of this steel that's going to go up and take these shelves out and go straight out the wall out that vent hole or somewhere close to there. So we'll have a wood stove in here, so maybe that'll be a little nicer on the pocketbook. But pardon the mess. As soon as I got the case rolled out of here, I insulated this thing. What are you doing? You good boy? Come here. Good boy, yeah.